Hi everyone, welcome to the Business Pod. Yesterday we dived into the significant move by the UAE to grant foreign investors full ownership of their businesses' investments, aiming to unleash their full potential. Today, I am here to explore how the UAE has facilitated all investors in maximizing their market trades. And I am here to discuss e commerce trading. What is e commerce license? An e-commerce license is a legal authorization granted by the governmental authority or regulatory body that permits a business to engage in electronic commerce activities within a specific jurisdiction. This license is required for businesses that operate online platforms for selling goods or services, accepting electronic payments, and conducting other e-commerce related activities. Once granted, an e-commerce license allows businesses to operate legally within the jurisdiction, ensuring compliance with regulations and providing a level of trust and credibility to customers. It also enables businesses to access essential services such as online payment gateways and shipping logistics, which are often reserved for licensed businesses. What are the advantages of acquiring an e-commerce license? The advantages are below: market access, established infrastructure, tax benefits, global connectivity, investor confidence, access to payment gateways. Obtaining an e-commerce license in the UAE offers several benefits. It provides legal authorization to conduct e-commerce activities in the UAE, allowing businesses to tap into the lucrative market in the region. The UAE has well-developed infrastructure, including logistics and transportation networks, which can facilitate e-commerce operations. Depending on the specific jurisdiction within the UAE, e-commerce businesses may benefit from tax advantages such as zero corporate and income tax. The UAE serves a strategic location for accessing market in the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia due to its connectivity and trade relations. Having a formal e-commerce license can enhance investor confidence, making it easier to attract investment for business growth and expansion. Operating with a proper license ensures compliance with local regulations and reduces the risk of legal issues or penalties. A registered e-commerce business often enjoys better credibility and trust among customers, which can possibly impact sales and brand reputation. Where can I submit an application for an e-commerce license in the UAE? You have four options: Free Zone Authorities, Department of Economic Development or DED, online platforms, or business setup consultants. In the UAE, you can apply for an e-commerce license through several channels, depending on your business preference and requirements. Many free zones in the UAE offer specialized e-commerce licenses tailored to the needs of online businesses. Examples of which are Dubai Multi-Commodity Center or DMCC, Dubai South Free Zone or now called Dubai Aviation, Dubai Internet City, Abu Dhabi Global Market or ADGM, Sharjah Publishing City Free Zone, and many others. Each free zone has its own application process and regulations. If you prefer to set up your business in the mainland rather than a free zone, you'll need to apply for an e-commerce license through the Department of Economic Development. Department of Economic Development has its own respective emirate where you plan to operate. Each emirate has its own DED such as Department of Economic Development in Dubai, Abu Dhabi Department of Economic Development, and others. Some free zones and government entities in the UAE provide online portals where you can apply for licenses and manage your business setup process remotely. These platforms streamline the application process and offer convenience for entrepreneurship. If you find the process overwhelming or want expert guidance, You can enlist the services of business setup consultants who specialize in helping entrepreneurs establish their businesses in the UAE. They can assist you with every step of the process, from choosing the right license type to completing the paperwork and obtaining approvals. Before applying for an e-commerce license, it's essential to research the requirements and benefits of each option to determine which one best suits your business needs. Additionally, consulting with the legal advisors or business setup experts can ensure that you navigate the licensing process smoothly and comply with all regulations. Are there any limitations based on nationality when applying for an e-commerce license in the UAE? UAE generally welcomes a foreign investment and entrepreneurs from various nationalities to establish businesses, including e-commerce sectors. However, there might be specific regulations or requirements depending on the jurisdiction within the UAE and the type of business activity. In some cases, there might be restrictions or foreign ownership or requirements for a local partner or sponsor, especially for mainland businesses. However, free zones in the UAE often offer 100% foreign ownership and other incentives to attract foreign investment, including for e-commerce businesses. It is still essential to research and understand the specific regulations and requirements for obtaining an e-commerce license in the UAE, including any nationality restrictions, by consulting with legal advisors and business setup consultants familiar with the local laws and procedures. What documents are necessary when applying for an e-commerce license? The specific documents required to set up an e-commerce license can vary depending on the jurisdiction and regulatory requirements. However, here is a general list of documents commonly needed to establish an e-commerce business. Passport copy, Emirates ID and visa page if applicable, proof of identity and address, business plan, and any other legal documents relevant to the business. It is essential again to check with the relevant government authorities or consult legal advisors to ensure that you have all the necessary documents and comply with the specific requirements for setting up an e-commerce business in your jurisdiction. How much does it cost for an e-commerce license typically in the UAE? The cost of an e-commerce license in the UAE can vary depending on several factors, such as the type of license, the jurisdiction within the UAE, and the specific requirements of the business. Generally, it can range from 5,000 to 12,000 UAE dirhams. It is again advisable to consult with local authorities or business setup consultant to get precise information based on your business needs and location within the UAE. What are the other expenses associated with starting an e-commerce business in the UAE? The cost of opening an e-commerce business in the UAE can vary significantly depending on several factors, including the business setup option chosen, the specific requirements of your business, and any additional services or facilities you may need. Here are a few lists that I made for you, which are other expenses which is associated in starting an e-commerce: office space rental, e-commerce platform development, technology and infrastructure, marketing and advertising, logistics and fulfillment, legal and regulatory compliance, and the most important, staffing and operational expenses. Determining whether an e-commerce or general trading license is better depends on various factors related to your business models, goals, and operating environment. Ultimately, the best choice between an e-commerce license and a general trading license depends on your business strategy, market focus, regulatory environment, and long-term goals objectives. Consider consulting with legal business advisors to assess your specific needs and determine the most suitable licensing option for your business. That's all, folks. I hope I was able to provide you a detailed information on how to set up an e-commerce license in the UAE. I hope you like it. Subscribe, and in case you have questions, give us a comment and like. Thanks, everyone.